It is time for the pre-smoke process. The hide is put hair side down on a smoker. I covered the entire lodge with a large canvas to keep the smoke inside and prevent the fire from flame up on windy days. We use rotten wood on the fire in a pit because it doesn't flame up. Six or 7 hours later, the hide becomes a yellow color. This color indicates it has been smoked long enough. Now I cover the smoked hide with a mixture of cooked brains, spinal fluid, and fine oil. Long ago, women used a brush made from dry grass to apply the mixture, but I found that a scrub brush made the job go more quickly and is cleaner. As the mixture soaks into the hide, it begins breaking down the fibers in the buffalo hide. The folded hide is then soaked in a tub of water. I placed a rock on top of it to keep it down and left it there for 2 days. After I have removed it from the water, I worked it over the pulling blade for 18 to 20 hours. This pulling further breaks down the fibers. The hide is worked 3 or 4 times on each side and from all directions. I can tell that the fibers are broken down when I can wring the water easily through the hide. Once the hide has been pulled completely on both sides, it is hung over a pole. The fiber breakdown continues as we remove excess water using scrapers on both sides of the hide. Knives are pulled lengthwise over the sides, breaking fibers and removing water. We rolled up the hide on the pole, ready to wrap it on the wringer. Then it is wrung on a simple machine made of 2 stout posts. The hide is wrapped around the post securely so it does not come apart. 2 or 3 people work the machine. The wringing is repeated until most of the water has been forced out. It is wiped off with thick towels. When we take it off the post, we return it to the hanging pole for further working. The hide is pulled frequently to stretch it and prevent it from shrinking too much. We must work each hide constantly at the pulling blade until it is completely dry. This takes many hours each side. The hide has shrunk in size during the tanning process. Completely dry, this hide is soft and flexible and ready to be made into a tipi cover.